Welcome to Derek's World of Motorcycling. Since becoming an owner of 70s Japanese vintage motorcycles, I've acquired biker gear that matches the retro style of the bikes. All of my gear is purpose made for motorcycling, except my footwear, a pair of old Jack Wolfskin walking shoes. The improving reliability of my vintage bikes has led to longer and more frequent ride outs, which in turn has led to increasing anxiety about the lack of adequate foot protection. The tired Wolfskins would offer scant protection in the event of a crash, and bad things don't just happen to riders of modern machines. So I started looking for a pair of retro-styled motorcycle ankle boots. I finally plumped for these JTS Manhattan boots. JTS is a UK motorcycle clothing brand founded in 1990 and located in Colville in Leicestershire. I've worn the boots on a few occasions now and thought it'd be useful to review them, which could be of help to potential purchasers. I'll be judging the Manhattans on 4 factors: style, quality, comfort, and value for money. A maximum of 5 stars shall be awarded for each category, which will then form the basis of the overall rating. Number 1. Style. The Manhattans remind me of the Adidas Samba trainers from back in the day, which adds to their retro appeal. They lace up snugly and fit nicely under my Biker's Paradise jeans. On the downside, light colours aren't advisable on motorcycle footwear, as they turn grimy pretty fast. For style, the Manhattans receive 4 stars. Number 2. Quality. The Manhattans are manufactured to CE approved level 1 for PPE with a 1222 rating, whatever that means. Certainly they seem to be well constructed, and the toe, heel, ankle and lower shin protections appear to be substantial. The gear change pads on both boots are nice touches. My only question mark hangs over the weathered finish of the PU leather uppers, which seems to vary widely from boot to boot. It took a while for the shop assistant to find a pair in my size that looked the same or similar. Lucky for me that I bought the boots directly from the shop, but for online purchasers this could be a hassle. The variance in quality cost the Manhattans 1 star. Number 3. Comfort. When I wore the boots for the first time, I could feel the PU leather uppers pressing into the bends of my feet, but they broke in surprisingly quickly, with the discomfort disappearing after only a couple of hours. One concern I did have was that the thick sole might cause gear selection difficulties, but there have been no problems so far across different bikes. The Manhattans get 4 stars for comfort. Number 4. Value for money. The Manhattans cost $89.99, which is a bit more than I wanted to spend, but seems to be in the mid-range when comparing with other similar type boots. Taking into account the safety rating and solid construction, I don't think the price is unreasonable. For value for money, the Manhattans receive 4 stars. Overall rating, 4 stars. Being honest, the JTS Manhattan boots weren't my first choice, but the ones I really liked were significantly more expensive. These offered the best compromise in terms of price, style, and safety. Pluses include the retro styling, PPE rating, solid construction, gear change pads and comfort. The only minuses are the light coloured sole and the variance in quality of the PU leather uppers. But what do you guys think? What do you think of the style of the boots? Are there any JTS Manhattan boot wearers out there that would like to share their opinions? Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.